Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes.
Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? Good morning. What up, 50 Aviator? What up, Paul? How's it going? Let me get this back right. Alrighty, let me get some music going here. All right, let's go. All right. Bang, we're ready to roll here now. About to get in a long here on the NASDAQ, dude. Is that the pullback? Is that the pullback to go higher here? Got a 4-hour inversion down here. It just re-tapped back into it. And now is it gonna go for those highs, all-time high? 4-hour inversion, inverse it, tap back into it. Now is it gonna pump? What up, Biblical? What's up, Devin? Hinnock long since 5:30. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. All right. I'm gonna look to try to get in some longs here somewhere. Try to get in some longs somewhere. All right, I'm gonna set a buy here at 018. If it comes down there, I'll get in. Probably just gonna keep pumping now though. All right. Can I get in here? What's up, Calvin? No news till 10? Sweet. Sweet. What up, Beyond Tomorrow? What's up, Disciplined Trader? What's going on? Got a limit order here. See if we get tagged in. This is what I want to see right here. Let me see it come back down here, tag me in, and boom. It's not gonna do it. Nah, I'm not in already, Jim. I got a limit order sitting right there. Hope it gets tagged in. Ain't gonna do it. It's just gonna go here. Jim Boking because I don't care. Because I don't care. You want to see, you know, people know I get payouts, so there's no point. I mean, I do all the drawing on TradingView. So, and I don't care about subs on YouTube. ES pumping, Hinox says. NASDAQ's trying to pump up here too. Should have just got in, dude. I should have just got in. Jim Boking, I do it to get people in the premium Discord. Do it to get people in the premium. That's where it's at, buddy. That's why. Thing's pumping, dude. Thing's pumping up. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, Jim. Thank you, Jim. I appreciate it. Thank you. I don't know. And apparently he's never been to the live stream because when I get into a trade, I switch over. So, see, I mean, I don't even know what he's talking about. This is where I do the drawings. When I get in a trade, I switch over here. You can see my limit order is still sitting right here, Mr. Boking, buddy. So congratulations. Wish I just would have got in this thing now, though. It was like right here. Let's see. Is it going to come back down and tag us in? Is it going to come back down and tag us in here? I'm going to leave it right there. I might bring it up here. I've got a little shelf right here. I'm going to leave it down here. If it starts to come down, I may move it up. We'll see. But we just closed above this area of resistance. Just tap back into that zone, and now it's pumping up here. Nah, Jim, you didn't. You did it, man. But I mean, I think you could have at least, you know, before you started making that, you could have said, you could have waited till I was actually in a trade to see if it popped up on the chart. I wasn't even in a trade and you were already saying that. This is just a limit. I'm waiting to see if it comes back down and tap this for me to get in. Oh, no problem, dude. See if it can come back down and tap this inside of this fair value gap right here. That's what I'm looking at now. We got a fair value gap right here. Feline Futures, man. I'm gonna watch some football tomorrow. Watch some football and just hang out. Well, tomorrow I gotta work tomorrow still, but work and watch some football, get off, and yeah, get off and eat some good food. Who knows? Who knows? It's trying to bounce off of this little shelf here. Is it going to fail and go down there to that fair value gap? We will see. Oh yeah, Jim Boking. Yep. Let me see if I can pull them up here. Here's one. It already hit the bank. I'm waiting on the other one to hit the bank. This one's in the bank. This one I'm waiting to hit the bank. So, heck yeah, dude. All right, we're dropping down here now. Are we going to get tagged into this trade? I hope so. Hope we get tagged in here. Doesn't look like it. Hinnock. Copy trade 20 Apex accounts right here. 20 Apex accounts. What up, Johnny? How's it going, dude? Casho, you been on vacation and traveling the world? Where you been at, dude? Where you been at? Where have you been? All right. I might be too optimistic with this here down this low. I do think we're just going to keep on pumping up. Probably should just get in. But I was hoping for some kind of pullback, but it looks like we inverse this and now we're just grinding up to these wicks up here. Let's see how many points this would be right here. If I just got in now. I mean, not even enough points. I'm just gonna leave it down there and see if we can at least get a little bit lower down here. All right, it's coming down. We're gonna get tagged into this. It just got a spike down there. Oh yeah, 240.19. That'd be perfect. Hit that for you, and then hit 18 for me, and come up. Man, it might have been the spike down. Hope not. Oh, don't go up from here. Don't you do it, you dirty dog. Dude, I made some Southwest chicken wraps last night. They were delicious, dude. Some Southwest chicken wraps. So good. So good. Biblical. Probably 8:15. Probably around 8:15. Because I gotta make a TikTok and a video before I leave to work at 8:50. So I gotta get off of here and get on it. Gotta make a TikTok and a video. No, Jim Jacks, I'm over that. Once you get over 52,000 like 500, the trailing stops. But once you take your first payout, there's no more trailing. So I've already taken 2 payouts on these accounts, so there's no more trailing. And there it goes. That was the spike down, and could have got in. It's going now. It's going, bouncing right off of this little shelf here and going. Man, I think it's just gonna keep going straight to the highs from here. Hinnock, it's yes sir, Johnny, the shelf. Hinnock, it's a free account, free evaluation account. And these shelves work really well when you have like a clear bias. Carl, you go over here. It's right under the long position, short position tab. There's a tab that says geometric shapes, and it's the rectangle tool. And then you draw it out. And if you go into settings, you can change the color and stuff. You can change the colors, and then I have mine set on extend, so it extends both ways for that purple one. For that purple one there. I'm still just gonna leave this order down here. If it wants to come back down and tap into this fair value gap at some point, be a good entry zone. It'd be a good entry zone. What's up, Futch? Oh yeah, dude. We're gonna be on here on the Fridays. We got 51 people in here. I'm getting off around 8:10, 8:15. So if you want that giveaway, we got to get to 69 likes. Get your grandma's phone, your auntie, your uncle, and hit that like button. Text your family group chat a link of the stream. Tell them to hit the like button and just leave it playing in the background. See if we can get this pullback down here into this fair value gap and catch a trade here. Carl, that FEG, I just drew it out with that rectangle shape I was talking about. It's not an indicator. We got the VWAP right here. Man, look at that. Came down, tapped off that VWAP, and went to go in there. Icy, we got the Asian highs up here. That's at that first TP level I got, is the Asian highs. Man, dude, I feel like when it breaks through all this mess, you see how many highs are like accumulated over here, dude? I feel like it's just gonna burst through that straight to the all-time highs. Just boom, straight through it, right up to the all-time highs, when it finally does happen. But I was actually in a long last night. That's how I got the 75 bucks on these accounts. Over here, dude, was pretty nice. I literally thought we were going to the overnight highs last night. We swept all of this. Look, we swept all of these like lows down here. Swept them all right here. And then we got an inversion on the 10-minute time frame, and I got in long. I was trailing it tight. I got in late too. I got in like somewhere up here, and I was trailing it, and I got stopped in profit. But I literally thought we were going to the highs off of that inversion. Then I woke up and I was surprised to see we dipped down into this 4-hour inversion right here. 4-hour inversion. See, we inversed this fair value gap when it closed above, and then it came back down and tapped into it. So let's see here if this is going to be the time. Is this going to be the time it flies to the highs? Five beats per minute. Yeah, that's that southern draw there, brother. It's that southern draw. Oh, yeah, Johnny. I mean, you'll see if you're on the wrong side, it's not going to work. You got to kind of have like a bias. And I really like playing the shelf when I can like put the stop loss below like the low. So like here, this one, pretty good. This one, you see it dip down below it a little bit, but if you put your stop below this low, you're good. I like to have a low I can put the stop below. All right, dude. Just pump it in Q without us. Just go without us. If I just would have got in. If I just would have got in. Would have been up here. Biblical, you taking any trades yet today? Taking any trades yet today, Biblical? Yes, sir. I hear that. Up on 6 accounts? Yes, sir, dude. Yes, sir. See if we can get this pullback. Dude, are you kidding me, NQ? Just pump, dude. Just pump. Just go without us. It's fine. It's fine. I didn't even want to be in this trade. It's fine. You already took out this high right here. Can we see a little pullback now that you took out that high? You already took out this high right here. Now can you pull back into this fair value gap and tap us in and then pump up to the highs? Would be phenomenal. Yo, what's up, Stefan? You took a trade last night for 344 and you're funded. Let's go, Biblical. Biblical trades the inside bars. Oh, man. Oh, man, it's going, boys. It is going here. It is going without us. Nah, I didn't trade CPI yesterday. I traded before it. Matt Rad took profit too early. This thing's going, man. I wanted longs. I was trying to get in. I just That's the game you play when you have limit orders. That's the game you play. But maybe it'll want to come down and, you know, sweep these lows right here. We'll see. I don't think so, though. Blew your core account? Look at this. I also took a little scalp this morning here. Should have held it. Should have held it. 25 buckaroonies right there. Hey. So yeah, that Asian high is right here at this line is the Asian high. What happened, Stefan? How'd you blow it, man? You get in too big? Contract size? What's going on, dude? So we bounced off of that shelf. We got another little level right here. And kind of right in here, too. Let's see. Probably pull back inside of the 15-minute order block. Let's see. I don't even know what an order block is, really. 15-minute. I'm guessing that's somewhere right in here. Let's see. Let's see. It'll line up with a 15-minute shelf right there. Man, is this the pump? Is this the pump up to the highs? Is this just gonna be the pump up to the highs right here? 64 people in here, 44 likes. See, man, I'm trying to get in a trade here. We just need one quick spike down to trick everybody, make everybody think it's going lower. But really, it just wants to tap into this gap right here to pump us up to the all-time highs. That's what we need. That's what we need. Yeah. I mean, it all kind of lines up. That order block lines up with these little shelves I'm talking about. All this stuff pretty much lines up. That order block somewhere in this area. So, same kind of deal. Same kind of deal. Jim Jacks on Apex, the evals are trailing and the fundeds are trailing. Depends on which prop firm accounts you get. Some prop firms don't do trailing, like Top Step. There's no trailing drawdown. Man, I'm kind of bummed. I'm kind of bummed I missed this here. Because I wanted to get in. I wanted the longs. Would have had my 10 points already. Kind of bummed. So close to this Asian high here. I'm pretty sure we just go up and take this out. Let's see. Oh, dude, let me check my yeah, Devin, dude, the ICT stuff, it's overrated. I'm gonna tell you, it's overrated. But it's really trendy. You know, I bet you if I posted ICT stuff on Instagram, it'd be way more viral. What up, Luna? What up, Luna? Nah, dude. Like, I trade some of the stuff. Like, I take what works from ICT, like the liquidity sweeps. But I mean, that's not really ICT, but I learned it while I was kind of learning about ICT. But like liquidity sweeps and fair value gaps, I like those. But dude, like a market structure shift is literally just a close above a resistance zone. Yeah, I do the inversions. Like here's a good one. A good inversion right here. Tapped into this 4-hour inversion and then got this 5-minute, and it's playing out nicely here. But yeah, I mean, I trade the ICT stuff that works. Some of the stuff I feel like is just you know, you don't really need to know it. all you need is liquidity sweeps, like a draw, like where you think it's going, and then just like an entry model or two. That's all you need. I like the inversions, and then I mean, I guess you can call it a you can call it a break of structure. Dude, look at all these lines I got on my screen here. Those black lines. You can call it a break of structure or whatever. Yo, dude. Luna. Thanks, man. Luna gifted 1 membership. Let's go, dude. You the man. You the man, Luna. Biblical is a member now. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Just took out that Asian high right there. Just took it clean out. Is it Luna, we going to the all-time highs right now? Is this gonna be it? Are we going to all-time highs before the pre-market? I mean, before the market opens? That's the real question. Are we going? I think once it sweeps this, it's just gonna kind of, everybody stops or like above here. So once it sweeps that, it's probably gonna squeeze all the way up. In my personal opinion. Could be completely wrong. It could just sweep this right here and do a straight V shape back down. We'll see. This and that media. Let's go, dude. Back up. This and that media, back up. Let's go. Biblical. I mean, Luna, how you doing on your accounts, dude? How you doing? Man, look at this pump, dude. Gosh. Yeah, dude, I say the same thing. Like, I can't even look at the 1-minute time frame in the pre-markets. I mean, it's better today, but the past few days it's just been chopped. So I had to look at the 5-minute because everything's moving like so slow at the moment. Moving so slow. 50-ish% win rate. All right, dude. We just took out all of this stuff up here. Is it going to retrace now, or is it going to squeeze up to the eyes? Just took those levels out. It's time for the squeeze. Is it time? Is it going up, man? I can't wait for these all-time highs to get taken out. I feel like when those get taken out, we can, you know, start moving again. It's just been consolidating here at the highs. Consolidating. Get this move down. Tap into this inversion. And the move back up. Is it gonna retrace back down here? You have accounts doing well, but trading in them for like 4 months, no payouts. Man, that's no problem, dude. At least you're keeping the accounts. At least you're keeping them. That's what I'm trying to do with these Apex accounts, dude. I want to keep them for a really long time. I'm trying to keep these. I want to get to the uncapped payouts. So, really trying to keep them for a while. Hinnock, we got to get to 50. I mean, we got to get to 69 likes. Still a ways away. Yeah, Luna. Like, I used to feel like that. How many are you trading them? How many groups are you trading them in, or all separate? All right, we took out those highs, and now we're dropping back down here. We got a 3-minute fair value gap right here. It just tapped into. So if you're still bullish, to the highs, this could be an entry right here. If it inverses it, it's probably coming down a bit to this 5-minute gap down here. Oh yeah, that's smart, Luna. Divide them up by different sessions. Which session is your best based on your accounts? Which session do you have the most profit? Tokyo. That's crazy, dude. I suck at Tokyo. I suck in the Tokyo session. Just random. Oh, it's dumping, dude. It's dumping down. Let me see here. Let me drop a fib on this thing. All right. There's that fib. It's dumping down. It's dumping down here. If you haven't used funded account before, Brooke, for these Apex accounts, you got to get them to 2,600 in profit. 2,600 in profit will get you a payout. Let's see here. Is it going to bounce here? Just swept this level here. My order is still down here. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it there for now. Bouncing in this golden pocket zone here of the fib. Trump is talking on Fox News. Uh-oh. Bouncing from that golden pocket. Look at that. Leave my order down there. We got 59 likes. We got 10 likes and only a couple more minutes on the stream. It's going to be a race to the finish. We need 10 more likes in about 8 minutes for a giveaway. 24,000. I hope not. I hope we don't touch 24,000 and be stopped out. We'll see. All right, so there's that fib. What about the fib from the overall move? Would be down there near that 24,000 mark, but it's pumping back up here. Let's see. One minute inversion long? Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. 7 more likes. Better hurry up. Better hurry up. Still coming down. Let's see. We can get in here. See if we can get in here. What's up, Bullish Banana? Dude, we got 65 likes. We need 4 more likes, and I'll do a giveaway real fast. 4 more likes, I'll do a giveaway real fast. I'm going to go ahead and get it set up here because I know everybody is going to hit the like button here. I know everybody's going to hit the like button. So I'm going to go ahead and get it set up here. Go ahead and get it set up. Hope you guys are hitting the like button. 71 likes. We got it. Okay, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway here. It's going to be on a keyword. We're going to do it on a keyword here. The keyword is going to be 1. The keyword's 1. So type 1 and you'll be in the giveaway. There we go. Type 1 if you want to be in the giveaway. We're going to run it here in about 2 minutes, so hurry up and get in there. We're going to run it. Run it up. All right, you got 10 seconds to get in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're running it here. We're gonna run it. We are gonna run it. Yo, Angel, thanks for the sub. Oh, also, if you win, join the Discord, because I'm gonna message you in Discord. Biblical, it doesn't matter. It only puts your name in here once. All right, here we go. Here we go. If you, join the Discord if you haven't already. Gonna message you in there to claim the giveaway. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Winner is Tech for You. Tech for You. Congratulations. All right. Yep, Tech for You. Join the Discord real fast. Let me grab the link. Let me try to grab the link here. Here's the link. This is the free Discord. It's 100% free. You just got to go through WAP. Stops the bots from getting in. It stops the bots from getting in, but that link right there will get you in completely free. Oh yeah, Ludwig, of course. Pegasus, yeah, every Friday we do the free stream, do a giveaway if we get 69 likes. Every Friday. But yeah, I wanted to get in these longs. placed the limit there, and it just never, it got close to tapping us in. It just didn't tap us in. But we were trying to get in. I'm about to hop off here. I gotta make a few videos, but congrats tech for you. Message me in the Discord and I'll send that account over. All right, hope everybody has a good day, and trade safe out there. Trade safe. I hope we hit all-time highs today. I really do. And yeah, see you guys. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest.